Hey guys, it's your girl Natalia.Armoni and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be installing this 13x4 body wave hair from Nadula hair, and this is a HD lace. So starting off, I will be doing my ball cap. I always do this with all my installs. I just put the new cap over my cornrows, and then I'm going to spray the Got To Be spray on my hairline and blow dry it completely dry so the cap can be tacked down on my head. Now after the cap is completely dry, I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses number 14 cream foundation, and I'm going to put it all over my cap. You want to use a color that's the closest to your skin tone so it can give off that like skin bald look. And then you want to cut off the excess cap with a eyebrow scissors. I always use eyebrow scissors because it helps me get closest to the cap as possible. And girl, now we're gonna apply this wig. This wig looks so good, y'all. Oh my god. I'll also apply some of that cream foundation on the lace too, because even though it was HD lace, it still was giving off a little like white cast, I want to say. But girl, all you gotta do is just apply that and it's gonna blend right in. So I'm using the Hair by Erica J adhesive, the watermelon kind, and I always do 3 to 4 layers. And then you just want to apply it on your hairline and smooth it out with a smoothing tool, or you can use a wooden stick, girl, but I always use this little smoothing tool. And make sure it's completely smoothed out and then it's completely clear before you lay your lace in it. So I always just lay it in, and then I start to comb it back and press it into that glue, girl, so it can be like melted. And then also use the blow dryer. I use it on cool and warm heat. So I already cut the lace off, y'all. I didn't even realize that I didn't record that part. But yeah, so cut the lace off, and then you want to get started with your baby hair. And I'm just taking out some sections of hair for the baby hair and spraying my Got To Be spray, because I like my hairline to be like pushed back. And the Got To Be spray plus the dang, what was that? A hot comb, girl, it gets it laid. I'm sorry, y'all, but yeah, it gets it real laid. So please do not skip this step. And then I go ahead and apply my elastic band so everything can be melted, smoothed down, and put together. And I also go ahead and hot comb my part as well. Now we're going to get into styling the hair, and I'm just doing some regular curls, y'all. I was kind of in a rush, so I was using big sections, and I'm just curling the hair away from my face with my curling iron. And I'm just going to let you guys watch that. Guys, please do not forget to frame your face and cut layers in your hair, because honestly, that's what makes the curls pop. Okay, that's what makes it give it that look, that polished look, that salon look. Please do not skip framing your face and cutting layers. Okay. Okay guys, so now that we're done with the styling, we want to get into these baby hairs. And I'm sorry I didn't record me cutting them either, but I always cut them with a eyebrow razor. And now I'm starting to use the Got To Be spray to mold them down, and I also use a little flat iron to curl them. So if you guys want an in-depth baby hair tutorial, just let me know. Y'all know I'll get that for y'all. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this install. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I've been gone for a long time, but your girl is back. Okay. Oh yeah, and don't forget you want to comb out them curls too. That's what gives it that polished look as well. So I love you all like always, and I see you in my next video. Thank you.